Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my video today. I have for you Dollar General breakdowns for Saturday, October 5th using paper and digital coupons. For the first option, you will grab 2 Tide Simply Pods on sale for $2.95 each. That will bring it to $5.90. You will use the $2 off of one digital coupon and a $2 off of one paper coupon, which will make it $1.90 for both. You will grab 1 Gain Flings at $3.95. The $2 off of one digital coupon will make it $1.95. Next, you will go ahead and grab a Gain Dryer Sheets at $3.95. There's a $2 off of one digital coupon, making it $1.95. Next, you will grab the Palmolive R Ajax 52-ounce dishwashing liquid on sale this week for $2.75. There's a $2 off of one digital coupon that will make it only 75 cents. Then you will grab a Tide Pods at $4.95. There's a $2 off of one digital coupon, making it only $2.95. The last thing that you will grab will be 2 of the Gain softeners that are on sale this week for $2.95. That will bring it to $5.90. You will use a $2 off of one digital coupon and a $2 off of one paper coupon that will make it only $1.90 for both. Once you grab all of your items, your total will be $27.40. $21 in coupons will come off, making it only $6.40 plus tax out of pocket. For option number 2, you will pick up 2 of the Suave body washes at $2 each. That will give you $4. Then you will grab 2 of the Vaseline lotions at $3.50 each. That will be $7. Your $2 off of $8 instant savings will come off, making it $9. Then you will use $1 off of one paper coupon for the Suave body wash and 2 of the $2 off of one paper coupons for the Vaseline lotion. That will bring that down to $4. The next item you will grab will be the Palmolive R Ajax dishwashing liquid, 52 ounce, on sale this week for $2.75. There is a $2 off of one digital coupon that will make that only 75 cents. Then you will grab 3 Tide Simply Pods on sale this week for $2.95. That will give you $8.85. You will use the $2 off of one digital coupon and 2 of the $2 off of one paper coupons, which make that $2.85 for those 3. Next, you will grab 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquids on sale for $2. That will make it $4, and then you will use the $1 off of one digital coupon that will make that $3 for both. And the last item you will grab will be the Febreze Small Spaces on sale this week for $3. There's a $2 off of one digital coupon that will make that only $1. Once you pick up all of your items, your total will be $29.60. $23 in coupons will come off, making it only $6.60 plus tax.